Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most cunning and mischievous heroes in the game, Loki. Meet Loki, the god of mischief. This elusive trickster uses his illusions and shape-shifting abilities to outsmart his enemies and support his allies. But don't be fooled by his playful demeanor. Loki is a formidable strategist who can turn the tide of any battle. Let us delve into abilities. Loki's primary fire ability is called Mystical Missile. This ability allows him to shoot an energy projectile that deals damage to enemies and heals allies. The projectile creates a small spell field on impact, allowing Loki to simultaneously heal and deal damage if his allies and enemies are close together. Mystical Missile – fire mystical missiles to heal allies or deal damage to enemies. The projectile itself deals no damage, but the spell field inflicts 30 damage per cast and provides 40 health per cast. It has 10 ammos, a fire rate of 1.75 shots per second, and a range of 3 meters in a spherical radius. The projectile speed is 100 meters per second, and it cannot deal critical hits. Loki's ultimate ability is called God of Mischief. This ability allows him to shapeshift into any hero in the match, either ally or enemy, for 15 seconds. While shapeshifted, Loki gains access to all the targeted hero's abilities, including their ultimate, which will be fully charged. Activating an ultimate while shapeshifted gives Loki an additional 7 seconds of transformation. This transformation can change the course of a battle and keep enemies guessing. It costs 3,700 energy. Regeneration Domain. This ability allows him to conjure a rune stone in the air that creates a magical field around Loki and his illusions, providing high healing per second to allies and converting 30% of all damage taken into direct healing. The spell field is sustained by the rune stone and will disappear if the rune stone is destroyed or if its maximum duration is reached. Regeneration Domain. Use runestones to create a magical field that provides allies healing and converts incoming damage into further healing. This ability heals 100 health per second, lasts for 5 seconds, and has a cooldown of 25 seconds. The spell field has a cylindrical radius of 5 meters and a height of 2 meters. The rune stone has 100 health and converts 30% of all damage taken into healing. Doppelganger. This ability allows him to project illusions of himself in the targeted area. These illusions mimic Loki's primary fire, vastly increasing his damage and healing output. Up to 2 illusions can be placed at once, and they last for 60 seconds. Doppelganger. Project an illusion that can cast some of Loki's abilities. This ability has 2 charges, a cooldown of 12 seconds per charge, and a maximum distance of 30 meters. Devious Exchange. This ability allows him to swap places with any of his illusions within range, making him incredibly slippery and hard to pin down. This ability is perfect for escaping dangerous situations or surprising enemies. This ability has a cooldown of 15 seconds and a maximum distance of 30 meters. Loki has a melee ability called Backstab. This ability allows him to pull out a dagger and perform a quick thrust. It is unique because it deals extra damage if he hits an enemy from behind. Backstab. Pull out a dagger to stab enemies, dealing 30 damage with a melee attack and 45 damage when attacking an enemy from behind. The range of this ability is 3 meters. Deception. This ability allows him to create an illusion where he is standing while granting him invisibility. While invisible, Loki gains heal over time and can remain hidden indefinitely until he attacks. Reloading, using Devious Exchange, or creating a doppelganger will not break his invisibility. Deception. Become invisible and conjure an illusion to deceive enemies. This ability heals 20 health per second while invisible and has a cooldown of 15 seconds. In Marvel Rivals, Loki has a team-up ability called Loki Reborn. When Hela lands a final hit in defeating an enemy, she can instantly resurrect Loki and Thor in the respawn phase, or grant them bonus health if they are still alive. This ability provides Loki with 50 bonus health and has a respawn delay of 1.5 seconds. Everyone loves a trickster, until the trick is played on them.
Attack you from behind? Shameful.
Mission area is yours.
Born as the son of Loki, king of the frost giants, Loki was adopted by Odin and raised as a prince of Asgard. However, his true nature could not be suppressed, and Loki ultimately embraced his destiny as the god of mischief. Loki is an elusive and deceptive strategist capable of conjuring illusions of himself to distract enemies while healing his allies.
Healing for my friends.
Powering up.
I have many
Whoever
faces.
they are, they don't look friendly.
Get in there.
Spider scanners us against the world.
Behold the god of thunder!
May you feel hell. I have many faces.
His core gameplay revolves around his doppelganger ability, which allows the player to project illusions of Loki in the targeted area. This ability has 2 charges, and up to 2 illusions can be placed at once.
Together. I've got you. Fantastic! I
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Control C. Spider mode.
totally rock that.
The illusions are stationary and last for 60 seconds upon creation. Each illusion will mimic Loki's primary fire, aiming at the same location as him, which vastly increases his damage and healing output. The illusions share equal attributes to Loki, having the same health and dealing the same damage and healing.
Render me assistance.
The mission area is yours to capture now.
Join Loki in Marvel Rivals. Master his abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of mischief and deception.
Together.